Hi there, Mera. So, I see we've got this essay from you. I'm very happy to see it. Good job. Let's take a look at what you wrote. Okay, the topic is, some people think that children should learn geography in school. However, some others think that it is more important to learn subjects that are more relevant to life. What is your opinion? Okay. It is believed by some that students ought to study geography at secondary or tertiary education level. Okay, at the secondary or tertiary level, education level, while other people suggest that it is better for a child to focus on other fundamental subjects like physics, biology, and computer science. I am more in favor of the latter view. Aspects involved to be benefited from. Okay, I have a couple questions here. Now, this was really rather general. It's at school. I don't know why you're assuming it's secondary or tertiary. It could have been primary. So, I mean, if tertiary is university education, I don't think that's accurate. So I thought we would have said at primary or secondary school. And then more relevant to life, you've limited yourself to these three, whereas some people might say, well, no, there are other subjects relevant to life as well. Okay, so what you could have done, and what I'm trying to say, is you could have, more applicable subjects or something like that, and then you could have gone into details about these later. So you could have been more general here, but let's go on. To begin with, studying a common and valuable subject such as mathematics improves employability. That's one term. Chances of learners from a very young age, right here, there are teenagers who are not serious about academic learning, and they can end up without a job after leaving school if they are taught geography but not calculations. Despite their learning difficulty, teaching about mathematics would not... Despite their difficulty, okay, get rid of this. Teaching mathematics... No, this is also incorrect because... alright, let's see. Because you don't have the same subject. So, despite their difficulty, mathematics would not only allow students to manage their personal finances, but they could find a basic clerical job in any department after leaving school. On the other hand, a subject like geography has no scope for them, especially in developing countries like Pakistan. Such countries do not have enough resources to assist their graduates to flourish in the field of geography. Henceforth, geography could fail such students miserably in the practical life. Okay, the rest of that was fine. You could see I didn't really correct anything. Just tiny little things. But here you had some problems, okay? Alright, moving on. Similarly, geography does not have enough scope for research and progress as computer science does for schoolgoers. Technological sciences are helping many nations to flourish and strengthen their economy despite having small landmass. Japan serves... I would have said Japan serves as a great example in this regard. This community does not have ideal geographical conditions to serve its nation. Therefore, they focus on teaching about information and technology. No, you mean information technology in schools instead of geography. Consequently, children get more time to focus on core subjects, and later on they reach a better situation to experiment and improve the nation's finances, plural, which relies on technology. The Japanese could not achieve this accomplishment by teaching geography in schools. Okay, alright, interesting. To reiterate, I believe that geography cannot, one word, help children to earn a suitable living after leaving school, and they cannot, again one word, rely on the subject to promote collective progress of a society in many cases. Instead, subjects relevant to living should be taught at school level. Alright, I like this. It's quite good. You've got some nice elements here. You've got some good structure. You've got some nice coherence and cohesion elements. Like this, I liked this a lot. Such countries. That was really good. You did things like that, but then there were other places where you kind of lost it, like over here. This community, also really nice example of coherence and cohesion. So I really liked that about this essay. And you developed it, so it was, the structure was quite good. That's probably your strongest point. And I think your test response is rather good as well. So this is a nice attempt. I'd like to see more of your essays, if possible. I'm not sure when your exam is. It doesn't mention anything in your email, but I would like to see more essays from you moving forward to see how you do with other topics. I'd be interested to see how long this essay took you to write. And I would also love to see your task 1. I think that together we can work to get you the score you need for IELTS. Okay, so with that, I leave you. That's the end of this correction. Lots of luck, and I hope I get to see more essays from you in the future.